Oh, ito na. Mas maganda pa nga ito kumuha kaysa sa camera eh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Important pa.
Hindi tayo putulin.
Oh, kani. Either tanggalin mo ito or sa stick or putulin daw.
Putulin ko.
Yeah.
Putulin na lang.
Putulin na lang. Yeah. Buti lang, yan si Kaloy pala. Kani. Kan. Yan ka rin. Shaving spoon din.
Ito tama na yung half lang. O tatlo.
Dalawang siguro. Yeah. Apat. Kung kaya, tatlo. Pero okay na yun.
Meron pa ba?
Wala na. Yan na lang ata. Yung talong pala ko.
Meron na, mayroon talong na oras.
Oo. Sana. Yan.
Tama na mo ng lamesa.
Oo.
Mahirap ko na lang.
Hindi mo na kung kam. Kung hirapan ka.
Tatagtarin ko na lang itatag.
Kami ako kanon ulit kayo. Kung ulitin natin kasama si Ate Josie.
Ayan. Tulong mo pa.
Yeah.
What is good? It's good. Well, like I said, you know, it's okay. I'm
Ulitin natin pagka
you're happy with it.
galing, expert.
Isa na ang folder, Mark.
Ladies first.
Wow, look at this. Whew. This is the boodle of the year. You know, I could understand, you know, the homily. Even here, you know, that's the only time I wear it. I don't wear like a conversation like this. But with the church or going to the lodge where I can.
Mas mabilis. Mas maganda yun.
Joke lang. Ay, kuha tayo ng picture mamaya.
Sexy stress!
Yeah.
Thank you. Happy birthday,
Yeah.